security camera kit with your manuals. Don't worry guys, I'm not going to waste your time, but I wanted to show you in your box number one, you got your connectors, HDMI cables, you got your mouse for your HDR, you got your solar panels in here. So these cameras operate with solar, or you can connect them to power. You got all your connecting plugs all in this box. This is where your hard drive is going to go. It's going to go inside your little hub, and that's going to send all your video files and information and save it on your hub. So that's going to be in your little hub here. It does come with the TF card as well, so you can use that. You got your USB, your other ports as well, and to connect to. This unit, you do get 4 cameras. So let's take a look at the cameras, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys footage from multiple angles. So this is what the cameras look like. Remove all the plastic around everything. You got your motion lights, camera, and your sensor right here. You can adjust the antennas depending on position. Each camera can also get a individual STF card if you want to put it in there.